to our channel.
Today's adventure is as a result of the 50 to 100 millimeters of rain that we've been receiving for a few days in a row now. And considering our roads are subject to flooding, we're going to go for a bit of a drive and see if we are actually flooded in this time, or see if we can make it out to our nearest town.
Fingers crossed we can make it out.
For this adventure, let's go into four-wheel drive mode. Alright. Puppies, are you ready for an adventure?
I'm ready.
Sarah's ready. Rufus, are you ready for an adventure? Or food? You ready for food or adventure? Still gonna teach you the word adventure. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm definitely not going through this.
We are definitely flooded in still.
Alright guys, let's hop out and take a look at the water.
So we are officially flooded in. Have a look at this. This is normally a road that we drive through. This is absolutely crazy. You can just see the end of the road again down there. And so this is quite a big dip normally, so definitely too deep to drive through. The dogs are having a nice swim. Coco, Rufus, Bella.
Okay, so that was the south end of our road. So that's escape route number 1, fully flooded in. Let's go and check out the northern side of our road to see if we can get out that way.
Fingers crossed. Oh my god. This is insane.
Wow.
We are like officially really flooded in.
I'm definitely not overtaking or passing anyone there. You can read it, that's what the sign says.
Let's get out and check this out.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're at the north side of our road, and as you can see, there's definitely no escape here. So we're officially flooded in for our very first time on our off-grid property.
So this is normally a bridge. Come check it out.
Yeah, Coco, there's food on the other side.
We can't even see the end of the water.
Crazy. And one of our neighbours ended up actually having a boat that they got in preparation for these kinds of events. They had some guests staying over who needed to get to the other side, and this is them successfully getting across.
So now let's take a look at some footage we took yesterday when we could actually still drive over this bridge, and we could get a little bit further, but we still couldn't get into town.
Oh, stuck already. Imagine that. Stuck in their own driveway. That's getting pretty close now. Hopefully when we come back tomorrow, there'll still be a bridge left here. Want to go through it.
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh.
I consider us flooded in.
It's pretty big.
So this is the road to get out. At this point, we decided to turn back because in these situations, it's always better to be safe than sorry. We had enough food to last us weeks before we'd be in trouble, and we thought we prepared well. But what happened next, no one could have anticipated.